In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell shoes on Stockx without box. And here's the key truth up front. You can't. Stockx does not allow listings or sales of shoes without the original box. They require the pair to be brand new, dead stock, and accompanied by the original box and any original accessories like extra laces, tags, and paper. Dead stock means the shoes are completely unworn and factory fresh. If the box is missing, Stockx treats that as an automatic rejection. Let's talk about why the box matters so much. On Stockx, the box is considered part of the product. It helps their team verify authenticity, it ensures buyers receive a complete set as collectors expect, and it affects resale value. Even if your pair is unworn, authentic, and in perfect condition, without the original box it won't pass. No box simply means not allowed on the platform. What happens if you ship anyway? Here's what you can expect. Stockx will receive the shoes and send them through authentication. When the team checks the package and finds the original box missing, the item fails verification. At that point, you'll be charged return shipping and you may face an additional penalty fee. The shoes are then sent back to you. In short, you lose time and money and the sale doesn't go through. So, what are your best alternatives if you don't have the box? First, consider GOAT. GOAT allows used shoes and new pairs without the original box as long as you disclose it clearly. Be transparent in your listing and state no original box, and include accurate photos to set proper expectations. Second, try eBay. eBay allows both new without box and used listings. Upload clear photos from multiple angles and write an honest, detailed description of condition and what's included. For eligible pairs, eBay's authenticity processes can still apply, which helps reassure buyers even when the box isn't present. Third, consider selling locally or through social platforms. Facebook Marketplace, sneaker groups, and platforms like Instagram or TikTok often have buyers who are more flexible about boxes. Just present the shoes clearly and accurately so potential buyers know exactly what they're getting. One more important note, don't try to replace the box. Replacement boxes, generic boxes, or boxes from a different size or model are not accepted by Stockx. Using any of those will still lead to a failed verification. To recap, you cannot sell on Stockx without the original box. If your pair is boxless, choose an alternative platform, be completely transparent, and you'll save yourself the hassle and fees.